If your company invests in research and has a lot of insights from numerous data sources, it can sometimes feel a bit overwhelming to make sense of the data. You may end up with tens or even hundreds of slide decks with scattered observations without seeing the clear focus area that you should use for site optimization. Hi, my name is Gertrud Vahtra, and in this CXL feed, we will talk about thematic analysis. I have seen how many companies struggle with a lack of alignment on the top optimization focus areas. We want to ensure that people in organizations feel empowered to come to the experimentation team with their own ideas, but we also want to make sure that a lot of those ideas address customer problems. Researchers are depressed because they're doing research, finding interesting insights, but PMs do not care. This is a quote from a maturity audit that we ran on a billion-dollar business. So how can we make sure that all the research will turn into actions, guide the experimentation program, and that teams will be empowered to work on common customer problems? Essentially, the thematic analysis framework helps you make sense of your user research data. With this exercise, you can identify the top opportunities or customer problems for site optimization. The goal is to really identify patterns from a variety of data sources with the team. You can also use those identified themes in strategy maps and further ideation sessions to list out specific actions to improve the website experience. And of course, your teams will be more aligned on the problems they should be tackling together, allowing them to bring unique ideas to the team that can also address those customer needs. To do this exercise, you first need some research. To prepare for the workshop, you want to list out different observations and insights from a range of sources into a Miro board. You can list out as many insights as you want and use different colored sticky notes to group the insights per research method. You can then bring in a team from different roles and backgrounds to identify the top themes together. In the workshop session, participants can read through all of the research insights and start identifying recurring themes. In different groups, teams can drag the insights into different categories and give labels to recurring themes. Later, the teams can compare the notes for the top themes they identified and align on the most important ones. This is an example of themes that were identified in a workshop we ran with a client. At the top, you can see the themes from research, and in the bottom board, you can see the different sticky notes that were found within those themes or categories. The different colored sticky notes represent different data sources. Experiments that are supported by different data sources may have a bigger impact as it can indicate a stronger customer problem. There are three main applications from this workshop. The first one is alignment. With this session, you can ensure that teams have visibility to the problems and optimization themes that they should be working on. The second one is buy-in. With this workshop, you can get teams excited to work towards solutions based on the customer problems they have seen themselves. And you can also use those identified themes for any ideation sessions in the future to start listing out solutions for the problems they found. I have another example here of how this exercise was used to create an impactful solution. From the thematic analysis exercise, there were a few themes which indicated that users need more guidance and clarity on the site, especially when it came to how bonuses work. Based on the problem themes, we created a test scorecard, which clearly highlights the problem statement and the solution that could be validated further. With the help from designers, we drafted up a new version of the bonus page that can be A/B tested. Now, if you have research from a variety of data sources without the direction on what the top optimization areas or customer problems are, use this workshop. You will get input and team alignment on where you should be focusing your optimization efforts. Thank you.